Time to check in with our legal eagles now. 19-year-old Bristol Palin taking the stand today in the trial of a young man accused of hacking into the email account of Bristol's famous mom, Sarah Palin. On trial for the alleged hacking is a former college student named David Colonel. Now, he is the son of a prominent Tennessee Democratic congressman. Bristol testified today that she got an anonymous phone call and hundreds of text messages because a screenshot from her mother's email account was posted online. The defense believes there is no way that Colonel can get a fair trial in Knox County, Tennessee, because Palin is very popular there. The judge rejected that defense, but did he do Mr. Colonel an injustice by doing so? From Chicago, we welcome trial attorneys Kelly Saindon and Jennifer Smetters. Great to see you, ladies. Kelly, first to you. Did the judge make the right call here?
I think he didn't. I don't think this kid's standing a chance to get a fair trial. It's a very pro-Palin area down there, and so it's turning into a celebrity trial versus did he have criminal intent for a wrongdoing. So it's possible that he's going to have a very hard time finding 12 unbiased jurors who aren't pro-Palin and who are going to look specifically at his criminal acts, or whether they're going to be focused on being starstruck to see her in the courtroom.
All right, Jennifer, it didn't take you long to start shaking your head. You disagree?
Absolutely. Look, if you're going to pick a fight, you better pick who you're fighting with accurately. This man bit off more than he could chew. Bottom line here is that Sarah Palin has a presence. Like her or not, she has a presence. And in that area in Tennessee, she is liked. He should have thought of this before he went and broke the law. Bottom line.
That doesn't make sense. So he should pick a non-known victim? And that makes it better?
Kelly,
you pick someone unknown and the crime is less severe?
Go ahead, Kelly.
David,
what Jennifer just said is if she picks an unknown victim, if there's an unknown victim, then it's not as severe of a crime. David, don't leave us.
No, I'm not going to leave you. I'm not going to leave you. But you all have to, hold on. You all have to talk just one at a time. Go ahead, Jennifer.
Exactly. Let me finish. Okay, thank you. The bottom line here is if you are trying to break the law, you need to be prepared for the consequences.
Okay, that's your point, Kelly.
Case.
Go ahead.
What I'm suggesting is, first of all, Jennifer has made it seem as if, because it's Sarah Palin, the laws don't have to be followed. We have strict procedures in this country for a fair criminal trial. It means that you have to have an unbiased jury, that you have to follow the law. And she's already told you that this gentleman is guilty, and we don't know that. It hasn't played out. He's entitled to a fair trial.
No person is above the other. No defendant, no person is above the other. In order for him to try and divert really what's going on here, the bottom line here
impartial jurors.
He should be defending his case and not trying to taint the jury pool.
All right, now, you know, we could argue back and forth, but law is all about precedents. Is there a precedent for this case, for moving a case where the jury pool has been biased? Kelly?
Absolutely there is. When you poll the jurors and you find out you have strong feelings one way or the other regarding the potential victim, if the answer is yes, and you can't find 12 jurors that tell you, I'll uphold the law and I will disregard who that person is, it needs to be moved.
Jennifer, go ahead.
No juror has said they couldn't uphold the law. There is no such thing as changing venue because somebody has persona, somebody has presence or likability. The bottom line here is the judge did the right thing.
There's precedent all over the country. If it's too high profile, they move it. If it's too high profile, they move it. There's absolutely precedent.
No, that is
absolutely not true. Scott Peterson.
Absolutely not true. Absolutely not true. The jurors have a duty as to whether or not they, without any sort of bias, can render a decision. In this particular case, obviously, the jurors have stated under oath that they can be fair.
We started with Kelly to be fair. I got to end with Jennifer. Ladies, love to have you here anytime. Thanks very much for coming in.
Thanks, David.
Coming up on deck is...